An update right now from today's Horry County Infrastructure and Regulation Committee meeting about the Socastee Flood Buyout Program.
The first round of applications for the program opened in July and closed on September 1st.
News 13's Melissa Myers live in Socastee right now with more on where the project stands right now. Melissa?
Well, Bob, Megan, right now the program stands at a 70% enrollment rate with 61 properties funded in the Socastee area. Next Wednesday, consultants will meet with homeowners enrolled in the program to get an overview of the process, including appraisals.
The Horry County government secured a HUD grant to be able to conduct a pretty meaningful scale buyout project for communities in Socastee, families in Socastee that have been affected by what we call severe repetitive losses.
The buyout program will pay the cost of buying properties and tearing down homes in flood-prone areas along the intercoastal waterway.
And the purpose of that is then you can then reconvert that area into additional flood storage. You can do restoration activities. You can provide an amenity to the community that's safe for flooding.
Officials expect to begin tearing down the homes of round one applicants next spring. Committee member April O'Leary brought up the concerns of some families who feel they're being lowballed on prices for their properties.
One of the things that I think is a barrier with these funds and federal grants like HUD is that, you know, you basically get the value of your home pre-disaster storm, you know, pre-event. And that's not necessarily how much they paid for the home.
However, to help with those barriers, $30,000 for moving costs and low to moderate income incentives will be built into the program.
It is something that we're keeping an eye on to make sure that, you know, we can actually get these families out of harm's way and achieve what we're hoping to achieve.
Now, the county also mentioned if the homes were there and owned for the past three storms dating back to 2015, then 3 appraisals would happen and they would take the highest of those 3. Now, a second application process is set to begin in the late fall and early winter with a pending grant of $6.7 million. We're live tonight in Socastee. Melissa Myers, News 13.